Okay, Mike Hughes here, and I'm at DEMA, and one of the things about DEMA is you get to look at a lot of books and jewelry and other things. And here we have two books. One's Christina, Mother of Sharks, and we also have Lyndon the Mermaid. And Lyndon the Mermaid, did you want to tell us a little bit about the books, sir?
I am delighted to tell you about the books. So these are actually the brainchild of my dear friend Chantel, who is an amazing woman who is here in the Women Divers Hall of Fame as well, but has become recently, aside from being the diver medic, a publisher. And what Chantel approached me about was, why don't we make a series of books for young girls to learn their superpowers? So we're sharing actual women, I'm honored to be in one of these books, who have a career choice that was maybe challenging. And we learn to overcome challenges, we learn to overcome the naysayers in the world who may tell us we can't follow our dreams, and maybe create a career out of it. So here I am on this lovely book, sharing my personal story, and I have Chantel to thank for bringing this to fruition.
And Christina's not here, but there's a picture of her, Christina, on the backside, and you can see her in her dive gear.
Yeah.
Okay, and obviously she had something to do with sharks, so is that?
Correct. So Christina, the Mother of Sharks, has been a very widely known diver in the Bahamas who's not only an instructor for cave diving and charts and maps caves and underground waterways, but she also works with sharks, sharing how they really aren't monsters. And she can put them into what's called tonic immobility, where she rubs their dorsal fin and their nose, and they go into a trance-like state. And she also removes hooks from their mouth from fishermen, and the sharks now know her. And she feels a connection on an energetic level with them, and she is able to free them of hooks from fishermen. And she has a whole box full of them. It's actually in her book. It's incredible. If you page through Christina's book, you can see her story and how she connects with these beautiful sharks. She has names for them, and they recognize her and come around, and here is her box of hooks that she has removed. She's removed hundreds and hundreds, maybe thousands of hooks from sharks.
Plus she's hooked people onto diving too.
She has. She really has. But that's part of the magic.
Awesome. Yeah, I think she's a course director, right?
She is.
Director.
Okay,
yeah, she's amazing.
Cool.
So she's a really incredible woman, and so is Lyndon. And so the stories that we're actually doing are all about real people, and you can find it on Amazon.com and
that's what I was going to ask you next.
Absolutely.
Thanks for taking my job.
You're welcome. We got you covered.
Cool. All right. So go on Amazon and check these books out. And I guess that about wraps it up, doesn't it?
Yeah, there will be 24. And we're coming out with, Chantel is coming out with
the men's power series as well.
for
No
boys.
way. Am I in that? No, I don't know.
You should be.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Cheers. Bye.